Alright, so I've got a regular Whirlpool top bottom refrigerator right here. And let me show you, it's plugged in. Compressor's running, but the complaint was it was not cooling. You can see it's bumped all the way up. Go ahead and bump it to the recommended. Alright, so we're gonna come inside and there's a bolt right here, 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 and here. And if you have an ice maker, there'll be 3 bolts right here you have to remove. They're also 1/4 inch as well. So we'll go ahead and do that. See, these bolts are rusted, so I'll switch them out with new ones before I put this thing back together. We've gotten these 2 on the bottom. This will set it out of the way. This tube right here, actually we can just, it's got 2 clips right there, one right there, slide it up, and it will slide on out of the way. And she's back running again. That's already, you can't tell, I don't know why the video does that, but she is back running. It was just literally stuck. A lot of times just back cover right here will go down and you see it stops the fan. And that's the whole issue right there. So fan can't circulate the air down to the bottom to cool the bottom of the refrigerator. Alright, so this fan is still running slightly weak to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this one. All you gotta do is take down that cover. I need that blade. Swap this blade out real quick. And then as long as you have the correct fan, the correct part, you look it up by the model number. Make sure you got the right one. And she'll be back working. All you got to do is you got to remove 2 1/4 inch bolts on both sides holding that fan up. There's a ground wire on the side right there, which will connect on the side of the motor. Very simple fix. Save you some money. Thanks for watching.